This video is in response to feedback from you, my followers and subscribers. You have mentioned, Samita, you always talk about investing in quality garments and buying sustainable fabrics. However, there's so much available in the market. Natural, man-made, regenerated, blended, and then there's the design, the cut, the hang, feel, drape, stitching, storage and care. So how do we go about selecting a quality garment? I accept things can get a little confusing, especially when you go into stores and try to seek help from sales assistants who have zero interest or zilch knowledge when faced with questions from clients. It's becoming worse. Now that sales assistants are becoming endangered species with the advent of something called auto checkouts. Online stores aren't helping either. They have bots manning their chat inbox. And you know and I know talking to a bot is similar to hitting your head against the wall. Practice buyer beware. Hit the stores empowered with the knowledge that I am going to give you in this video. Stay tuned. Fabrics are to a garment what bricks are to a house, the foundation. You can select from natural, man-made, regenerated or blended. Natural fabrics are sourced from plants or animals. They are breathable and comfortable. However, not all natural fabric is sustainable. Cotton, for instance, is a pesticide and water guzzler. Billions of silkworms die every year to produce commercial silk. Sheep are subjected to inhuman practices like mulesing. Feather is plucked from live birds. Animals are hunted down for their skins and pelts. The other option is man-made fabric, polyester, acrylic. Man-made fabrics became popular in the 1960s because of their color, washability, drip-dry properties and longevity. But that's the problem. Polyester lasts. It lasts for 200 years. It can get into the water bodies and kill the turtles. In fact, every living organism that lives in the environment or in water. It can release microplastics that end up on our dinner table. Polyester can create static electricity next to your skin. It is not breathable. Prolonged wear can cause rashes and allergies. Definitely not recommended for your little ones. So what's the solution? Invest in natural and sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, jute, hemp, linen, piece silk. Fabrics from smart or new fibers from fruits and vegetables, corn, soya and milk. You would ask, what about blends? Blends can be tricky. When it says cotton blend or linen blend, it could be sneakily blended with polyester or acrylic to bring the prices down. Check the content label carefully. Check for fabric discoloration, misprints, holes, rips, tears, slubs, missing threads.
Slubs. Slubs may be intrinsic to some fabrics like dupion. Misprints when blocks or screens do not align. Banding. Common in digital printing when nozzles are blocked.
A shocking 80 to 150 billion pieces of garments are made every year. Why would you buy one of these 150 billion garments? Look for innovation or a point of difference. Talking of design, I picked up 3 innovative products from a marketplace called TEMU. First, a solid colored Magyar sleeve gathered dress. Now you'd say, Samita, what's so special about this? It's just a basic gathered dress. But look beyond. Look at the possibilities. A gathered dress is like a blank canvas. You can dress it up in so many different ways. Look number 1. Cinch the waist with a broad belt. The hourglass look, on trend in 2024, worn with a matching crossbody bag. The boho look for the intrepid traveler. A scarf draped around the shoulders, perfect for the religious places. Product 2. You have a beanie and you have a visor. What happens when you combine the two? A beanie visor. This is the perfect solution for sun, sand and wind. The beanie is ruched for easy fit and comfort. It is lined with fleece for extra warmth. The visor is securely fixed to the beanie. This is a fine example of design innovation. Product number 3, a pair of anti-slip yoga socks. I love pottering about the house bare feet, much to the dismay of my health professional husband. He has warned me one of these days I'll slip and break my ankle. But now I will not, because I have acquired these anti-slip yoga socks from TEMU. This yoga sock has been made with 70% cotton and 30% elastane. The cotton component will ensure it will absorb moisture and sweat from a prolonged yoga session. The garment you buy should have a good cut and a good fit.
My husband is wearing the solid colored men's shirt with men's chino short. The short fits beautifully with no ugly bulges, and the elastic gussets on the side offer good grip and comfort.
Ensure the garment has optimum SPI. Now you'd ask me, Samita, what is SPI? SPI is stitch per inch. Precisely how many stitches are there in 1 inch? Generally speaking, it should be 12. However, it should be more in sheer fabrics like chiffon and can be less in heavy fabrics like drill, like canvas, like denim. There should be no skipped or uneven stitches, birds' nests, loose threads, pulls, snags, rips. Content, country of origin and care labels are compulsory in Australia at the point of sale. If the outfit comes in 2 parts as a set, every part should have content, country of origin and care labels. Familiarize yourself with care label symbols and follow the instructions to T. For example, if you machine wash an expensive cashmere pullover that is meant to be dry cleaned, you will ruin the garment. Last but not the least, do not follow the trends blindly. A garment you buy should flatter your silhouette, suit your persona, and address your requirement and lifestyle. And if you want to know the meaning of terms like silhouette, get familiar with the fashion lingo. Stay tuned. Video coming soon. Till then, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now. But hang on, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Till next time.